respected my class in charge and all my dear friends. First of all, very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Nancy.
I am Nancy, student of grade 9B. Today we are here for group discussion. These are my friends Vanshika, Shruti, Radhika and Disha. Today we are here for group discussion. Our topic is lack of moral values in modern children. Now first let us discuss about what is moral values. Moral values are the guidelines that tell us taking the decision between right and wrong. Now let us start with Shruti. She gives brief information about it.
I tell the meaning of moral value. Moral value tells us what is right and what is wrong, and they also help the people to understand how they act in the society. And the aim of the moral value to help some other and elder and since childhood.
Due to the high competitive life, the small children are neglected and their parents leave them in crèche and where they want to divide them in warmth and care. The culture regarding day by day due to the effect of Western influence and the movies which often mislead the young generations.
It is totally right that we can say that Western countries have a deep impact on India's moral values. It is totally can be right or can be wrong, but it can be right due to some reasons that in Western countries it is said to those students that are being ready for the career. They are said to do anything they wanted to do. But in India, it is said that do what is right, not what is wrong. So it is the main thing that is in India to do all the right things, not the wrong things, to be done in their career.
Moral value refer to the good virtues such as honesty, truthfulness, helpfulness, respectfulness, hard work, etc. Students are the future of our India. The future of our India depend upon their moral value impacted to them there during student life. Then they will become doctors, scientists, engineers, politicals, etc. and have their important position.
The young generation are busy in preparing their career and enjoy their life. They have less attention about the moral values. The lack of moral values and the religious education, one of the causes of moral values discrimination.
Moral values are fading these days. The preparation are quite too busy and enjoy their career by youngsters. The moral values play an initial role in our life and any student life. They help to build a positive character with traits such as compassion, respect, kindness and humility.
It is heard from our parents and our grandparents. When there was a time of our parents and grandparents, they sit with their grandparents and listen some stories from them. But it has been getting endangered and soon it will become extinct in the future life. I think that it was a very nice time for them to spend time with their grandparents, but today's time it has been provided mobile to them and it has become extinct and they never spend time with their family, especially with their grandparents. As we all know, respecting is one of the most important moral values that is provided to us by our parents and grandparents. It is said us to respect our elders and to treat our small children with love. But it is not. The senior children bully their juniors, and it is not the moral values which is given by our India, and it is not the culture of India.
Moral value in Indian society are these are the reality of the modern student. If they drink or smoke, they destroy their family and damage our health.
We begin to learn moral value from our family. Here children are taught to gather and respect their elders, treat them properly whenever they meet them. What is wrong and what is right that we learn from our parents. Moral value are different from one individual to another. A childhood praise is the best praise to the foundation or base to the structure of an individual. We all are learners and carry good value. If we wanted to manage our time, that we make list or work tasks and then we achieve our goal.
Shruti, do you want to say something?
Yes, if we want to decision making easy to extend that person who know the behavior among all the modern student and the principal and they talk about their principles.
At last, I would say that we should remember the moral values. Thank you and have a nice day.